we're gonna take care of something very important. Hey, what's up guys, Radar here, Dirt and Iron, and today we are going to take care of something very important. We are working on our 250 hours KTM 300XC build. We call this a mini build because we're not gonna go all the way to the frame, we're not gonna do the powder coating. This is not a magazine level build. This is a quick mini build because I wanna be riding this bike very soon, in like a couple of weeks. So what we have here today, we have a swing arm and a linkage and a bunch of bearings from factory links. So we are going to take care of the bearings because if you want your bike to be feeling brand new, you want to make sure that your bearings are good, they are greased and they work properly. So we are going to inspect. Majority of these bearings look good, so I think I'm gonna keep majority of these brand new bearings for this build when I'm gonna do a big build like 1 year from today. I think for now we are going to clean and inspect and re-grease all bearings. The one bearing that we have to replace for sure, it's right here. This is for the front wheel because the wheel was moving quite a bit. So we're gonna take care of that. And then we have some UFO stuff, chain slider and chain guide. We're gonna install that. Bulletproof guard for the swing arm. And then we got this works connection axle nuts, axle bolts. These are actually titanium. Super light, so I should be way faster. No, I just had them laying around from some other projects, so we're going to use them for this KTM. Alright, let's get busy. Right, so let's see what we got inside here. These bearings still have some grease in there. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get some contact cleaner, spray it out, make sure we have no dust in there, and then just use new grease, pack it, and we'll be good to go.
I don't cry when it rains no more, or I get dirt on my shoes. I don't mind climbing 8 more floors, 'cause these stairs are all heading to you. I don't wait for tomorrow's sunshine when I feel it today, and when it's cold in the dead of winter, remember that snow melts away. One more cold drink, one more road, one more dance for the doors get closed. Please remember, enjoy the show. Let's get happy before we get old. We don't need plans or a fancy agenda. Well, let's just see where it goes. We got no care for the way people stare at the dust and the dirt on our clothes. Hey, my friend, we'll never say remember when, if we keep on making memories where we stand, where we stand. One more cold drink, one more road, one more dance for the doors get closed. Please remember, enjoy the show. Let's get happy before we get old. And go put on that old wedding dress now. Probably still fits like a glove. And tell the band to play one more slow song, 'cause you still have all my love. One more cold drink, one more road, one more dance for the doors get closed. Please remember, enjoy.
Okay, so the second bearing doesn't look very good. You see it's all rusted and also inside doesn't look very good. So I decided to rebuild completely all the bearings. We're gonna also take this one out and we're gonna install our new kit from factory links. Alright guys, I don't have actual footage of doing this 2017 swing arm, but this what you're looking at, this is from my 2012 and we use exactly the same procedure. It's pretty much the same swing arm. So first we pressed old bearings out using different size sockets and then press new bearings in. Once that was done, greased everything and installed our seals, and the swing arm is ready to go.
Some people got a good hand, never wondering if they can. But I've been fighting what I'm feeling, needing something to believe in. Oh, lift me up from the valley. Oh, lift me up from the storm. Oh, lift me up from the valley. Oh, lift me up, baby, let it shine. Get on up, raise your head and hold it high. Let it shine. Get on up. You are more than meets the eye, so let it shine. Are you ashamed of how you're looking, or afraid of their opinions? Well, I've been locked up in this prison, my head down low as long as I'm living, yeah. Oh, lift me up from the valley. Lift me up, lift me up from the storm. Lift me from the storm. Lift me up from the valley. Oh, lift me up, baby, let it shine. Get on up, raise your head and hold it high. Let it shine. Get on up. You are more than meets the eye, so let it shine. Get on up, raise your head and hold it high. Let it shine. Get on up. You are more than meets the eye, so let it shine. Oh, lift me up from the valley. Oh, lift me up from the storm. Oh, lift me up from the valley. Oh, lift me up, baby, let it shine. Get on up, raise your head and hold it high. Let it shine. Get on up. You are more than me. Baby, let it shine. Get on up. Oh, raise your head and hold it high. And let it shine. Get on up. You are more than meets the eye, so let it shine. Get on up. Raise your head and hold it high. Let it shine. Get on up. You are more than meets the eye, so let it shine. Baby, let it shine. Hey, yeah.
Alright my friends, so that's all there is to it. We took care of our bearings, we got our swing arm all ready with all the parts installed here, linkage is ready, everything is greased, clean, everything is prepped. It's clean to the point that it is okay. This is not a magazine build, we didn't do any hydroblasting, we didn't do any Cerakoting, nothing like that. Everything looks okay. We are also going with a stock wheel, which is gonna clean them, and we put new bearings in here, so we're not gonna go crazy like when we do the magazine builds. But that's a good thing, because probably in the next video I'll be riding this thing. So it's gonna take way less time than my usual builds. And guys, hey, I need a trail bike, I need KTM 300 that I can ride a lot. So this one would be just that. So next time I see you working on this bike, we'll probably be also riding it. Alright my friends, well, let me know below in the comments what you think about this video. And don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.